What's up, guys? It's another Friday shop tour here. We're gonna give you a little walk around of what we got going on here for the, was it last week of July, I think, here. See, we're out in the middle of the shop. If you follow my videos regular, some of this stuff looks pretty much the same as last week, or 2 weeks ago, I guess it's been since I've done this. Not too much has changed here. See, we got another crane truck in here. We got tore down. Trying to get these both knocked out. See, we're working on a merit deck plate in this one here. This one's getting pretty close. Got some half fenders on it. Waiting for our fuel tanks to come back from paint. And we'll get some stacks on here. And that one's about, this one's about out the door. This other one over here, it needs pretty much everything still, so it's got a little ways to go. We got the racing boat Kenworth here. It's getting tore down, ready to get hammering on it here real soon. See, we got full fenders on the back here getting mocked up. Front springs all apart, getting ready for air ride. Gonna be a pretty cool truck when it's all done. Still got this little 330 or 385 or whatever the heck it is here. It's all apart, waiting to get new skins on the back of the cab and new rear suspension, and that's a pretty big project. Pride A model's back together here somewhat. You can see the sleepers back on. Big hole installed. We took out the wood floor and fabbed up a all metal floor for this thing now, so no more shitty wood floor in there trying to fall apart. Sammy worked on that for quite a while, did a pretty killer job, bead rolled it and tried to make it look like it matches. You see we got the front end all apart here, getting ready for air ride, waiting on a couple more pieces. It's a really cool truck, V8 cat, set of boxes in it, like 300-inch wheelbase, pretty sick ride. The old 359 still holding the pavement down here, waiting to get it finished up. This little 2-axle still here. This one's kind of in process too. I believe we got dashes all pulled apart in here, some of the other interior pieces getting ready for paint. It's also half tore apart in the front end here, getting air ride put in. We're gonna slowly get back on it, start knocking it out. Take a little walk over into the paint booth, air paint area here. We got 389 in here for our friends over at ATE Performance, local outfit here. They specialize in motor rebuilds and high performance tuning. This one came in full fenders, deck plate. It's got a new light bar on the back here. Doing a full polish job on the wheels, and gonna get the whole frame's getting repainted now. You can see it's kind of scuffed in the middle there. Kind of a last minute change of plans. But yeah, other than that, this thing was ready to ship. So back to the drawing board there. Anybody out there is a painter, we are actually looking to hire a new painter, and looking to hire somebody to do fabrication. We definitely need somebody with some TIG welding skills and basic sheet metal skills. we just can't keep up with the demand. So if anybody out there is interested in any of that stuff, hit me up in the comments, and we'll get you hooked up with rod. The old motorhome here just can't wait to roll. It's coming out this weekend for a little test run. Probably the biggest mover in the shop this week is the old stacker trailer. This thing finally got out of paint, and we're starting to get it assembled here. You can see we got everything black on this thing. We got melons all over this, all glass. There's 76 lights total once they're all on. We're working on our reassembly process now. Gonna get it cleaned up, dialed in, and ready to go here, so this thing can take off for Sturgis next week. This is our big project at the moment here. Got her swapped out onto some brand new Alcoa aluminum wheels. These things look sick. Way better than the cheesy old wheels it had on it. Got our tube rail underneath, extending our sides down with our lights, trying to get them down low to match with the coach. Unfortunately, this trailer isn't anywhere near as low as the coach is, but it's still gonna be badass anyways once we get her all done. So that's about it in the shop right now. It's been a little slow, not slow at work, just slow on progress. Little bonus sneak peek here. Got Rod's motorcycle in here on the lift. He built this thing himself about 20 years ago to fit him. Everything's just a little bit oversized, because for all you guys that have never met him, he's a pretty big dude. Rhino did the paint work on this thing, and it turned out bitchin'. It's all kinds of little hidden things in the paint if you really stop and look at them. Little skulls ghosted in there, and different wrenches and symbols and all kind of badass looking stuff in there. But pretty sweet ride. Alright guys, well, we're gonna get our day started here. See what we can get done. Like I said before, anybody's out there looking for a job, got skills, body shop skills, fab skills, welding skills, any kind of truck skills, hit us up. We're always looking for new people. And stay up on the website for parts and merch. And until next time guys, let's keep on trucking.